Welcome to DE Law. I'm attorney Eric Doroshow, and with me is our special guest, Bob McDonnell from ATI Physical Therapy. And Bob, good evening and welcome.
Thank you, Eric.
Bob, we have many clients and you have many patients who have suffered through an accident, an auto accident, a work accident, and they're going to have neck pain or they're going to have spine pain. And they're going to wonder why, sometimes even in a small impact auto accident, they're having this pain. What happens do you see in your practice to someone involved in these accidents, to the spine, to the neck?
Well, first off, when people come in, each accident is different. And whether it's a small impact or a large impact, that plays very little role into actually how much pain someone has.
You know, stop you right there. It's very interesting because the insurance industry has a different approach, and we have many clients who have very small property damages and they're just assuming it's a small injury case, but that's not what you're seeing on the ground.
That's not what we're seeing in the clinics, and that's not what research is seeing, you know, looking at large portions of patients. If I can use the spine, if I may, if you're sitting in an automobile and your automobile is struck from behind, what happens is your body actually moves forward and your head stays still. So that initial impact causes your body to move and your head to bend extremely far backwards. And then as kind of a correction, you're coming forward to kind of correct things. Now, because of the speeds involved, this causes the muscles that are in between these vertebrae, as well as the ligaments, to act in ways that they don't typically act and that they're not optimally made for. So what we see is a lot of soft tissue injury, which is hard because it's not like someone...
Actually, what is soft tissue? That's another thing the insurance company says to us. All that is soft tissue, as if it's not any big injury. What happens? What is soft tissue and what actually happens to that?
Soft tissue is looking at muscles and ligaments and fascia surrounding the joints and around the neck. And it is difficult to see because there aren't great diagnostic tests that say, oh, this person has X amount of soft tissue injury, or this person, you know, their symptoms correlate as much. And it's different than looking at other structures, whereas it's easy to see a fracture, but it is more difficult to quantify a soft tissue injury.
Mm-hmm.
So you have soft tissue, muscles, ligaments surrounding all these joints in your cervical spine, and you know, they're working at speeds and through ranges that they're not typically working at. So when someone comes in for therapy, you know, we start off with an initial evaluation. That's going to look at their range of motion, look at where their pain is located, look